or spicy like Haiti. It's not even. So we're gonna take some of this lemon juice, okay? Just to get the juice. And we're gonna clean it. Normally, if you don't want to clean it, you don't have lemon, just put water on it. Steak is not that good, but it's a cultural thing for me. Yeah, I used to use sour orange, but I don't find it, so I use lemon. So you see, guys, so now we're gonna wash it with cold water, not hot water. And make sure you don't keep washing the red meat because you want the color to stay. We have our famous épice. This is Haitian épice, okay? We call it épice. I'm gonna put some organic black pepper. Organic. And we're gonna put some Maggi. Some complete season, and of course we're gonna put the lemon juice inside. I'm gonna add some more water. And I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo. Give me one second. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil mayonnaise. Et voilà, nous allons brasser. When I'm upset, I'm gonna put the steak in it. You can get a little bit of the taste. That's what we call Caribbean spicy and flavor. Voilà. Ok, nous allons mettre l'huile là. Pareil, ça va être place encore. You see, I recommend you to use olive oil or coconut or avocado oil.